Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally it leaked again. The new upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra model unboxed version released ahead of tonight's official reveal. As you know that tonight the Samsung Galaxy S24 lined-up mobile phone called Galaxy AI will be officially launched today, where we have already seen the specs and the device. But recently it still continues when the user of the account on the Twitter profile page, the clip on the x.com, and opens the camera in all three colors. You can say that you accept the bitterness of giving to your heart's content. If anyone likes a particular color, please tell us, because tonight for those who like it, there will be a promotion starting tonight. Here is the summary of specifications of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra finally. The smartphone has 6.8 inches smooth screen, dynamic AMOLED 2X QHD Plus resolution with refresh rate of 120 Hz, ultrasonic fingerprint scanning system. The protection is Corning Gorilla Glass armor. The smartphone has received powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, may have a name ending with for Galaxy. In the Ultra model, RAM is up to 12GB or 16GB and memory is up to 1TB. Supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3. The Galaxy S24 Ultra includes 4 cameras, 200MP OIS camera, 12MP wide-angle camera, the first telephoto camera with 3x resolution, periscope camera that may increase the resolution to 50MP, and zoom 5x but may use the same set of lenses. Front camera resolution 12MP, supports USB-C 10 Gbps data transfer with DeX mode. The smartphone sports 45 watts wired charging power, 15 watts wireless charging power, and 5 watts wireless reverse charging. The Galaxy S24 Ultra battery size is 5000 mAh. Design a new cooling system using a larger vapor chamber than before, equipped with the full AI system that supports both language translation and other functions. It will be called AI phone or AI smartphone in marketing. Colors available: titanium grey, titanium black, titanium yellow, and titanium purple. Special colors include orange, blue, and mint. The new Galaxy S24 line will officially launch tonight. For more updates, please stay tuned. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.